Hey guys, what's up? So it's been like 3 months since I have last vlogged. 4 months, 3. It was at the Halloween Haunt, Kings Island, so it's been a while. But anyway, today is Friday, February 15th, and I am not at work today because I'm actually driving right now to meet up with Logan to go to a doctor appointment with him. But that's not why I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging because tonight, me and my girlfriend Emilee, who you have not met yet, are going to a place here in Adams County. I believe it's called Family Traditions. If I'm wrong, I'll correct myself later. So it is like, it's kind of like a petting zoo, but it's like an exotic petting zoo. They have like lemurs and I think kangaroos and things like of that nature. Well, tonight they are doing a Valentine's Day event. So at 7 o'clock, me and Emilee, with only 3 other couples, get to go and play with the animals and like take a picture with them. And I'm super excited because who doesn't love animals? So that's why I'm vlogging, because we're gonna do that. So yesterday was Valentine's Day, and I realize now today later, but it actually works out because today is actually mine and Emilee's 2-month anniversary. So it's for Valentine's Day and our 2-month anniversary. So that's kind of cool. But like I said, right now I'm going to meet up with Logan, and then when we get done with all that, I will come back to the vlog. So stay tuned for some cute animals. Alright, so I'm back home. We went to Logan's appointment. We had lunch. We're back now. It's a little after 4. We have to be at the animal place, like our slot's at 7. I think Emilee gets off work at 5:30, so she'll probably be here by 6. So I have like an hour and 45 minutes. Right now I have to film a review for this Zoom Wellness Teeth Whitening Kit. So I'm gonna go do that now. If you want to see that for some reason, maybe you're interested in buying this, let me know. I can upload it to my YouTube, because I'm already doing the video anyway. So if that's something you want to randomly see, I'll upload it. I'm not sure that you care at all. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll probably check back in once me and Emilee get headed to the Family Traditions.
2 hours later.
Okay.
So we got home from family. What's it called?
Here, there's a brochure thingy.
Oh, let's show it.
Family Traditions Animal Adventure.
Will not focus that close. Oh yeah. So, this is Emilee.
Hey.
I already talked about who you were earlier, so we'll skip all that mushy stuff. So got to hold a lot of animals. Well, okay, let's try to list all the animals that were there.
A wallaby is my favorite.
Lemur.
A giant rabbit.
A tortoise.
A parrot.
A hedgehog.
A fox? Was that a fox?
The one we saw wasn't.
Okay, well, it was a fox-looking thing.
A python.
What was that thing called?
I don't know. That's why I left it for you.
It was in the rodent family, although it looked like a deer, goat, rabbit.
Well, it's like so it's like the size of a dog with the legs of a deer with the body of a goat with the head of a rabbit.
Pretty much. It was an interesting creature.
I'll have to look up what that actually was and put an actual picture so they know. Because if someone told me that, I literally picture deer legs, a goat body, and a rabbit head.
But that's basically what it was.
But the ears of they're like little rounded ears.
Yeah, ears like a koala bear.
Sort of. So we'll go with that. We'll go with that. I don't think they're quite as thick or furry.
But they're rounded.
Yes.
So.
Okay. So if you want to check out the Family Traditions, I'll put information for that. They're not open right now for winter, but they're going to be opening. They say in April they're going to open on the weekends.
Yeah. But they do birthday parties. I'm sure you can check it out on their site.
Oh, yeah. So I'll put all that. I think it's all on here. Yeah. Anything you want to add? You want to talk about yourself for a little bit?
I don't know. I don't know what to say. I'm 24 years old. I have a fun personality. I'm great at jokes. I should be a comedian. Shouldn't believe him.
Say a joke.
Oh, you put me on the spot. What do you call when a cow jumps over a barbed wire fence?
I'm afraid to know what this answer is.
Utter destruction. What do you call it when a cow can't produce milk?
Wait, I heard this one.
A milk dud.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that somewhere the other day. Oh, what was that little, lizardy crocodile thing?
Oh, yeah, the, dwarf alligator. I almost said an African dwarf alligator, but I don't think it was African, was it?
Oh, well, I guess I put, videos of these things already in this video.
True.
But we don't know the names.
It was dwarf something, but it gets 5 foot long.
5 to 6 feet, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all I have. You want to add anything?
It was nice talking to you.
Okay.